Hello everyone, welcome to this video of
Perform the routine maintenance with checklist.
In this video, we will learn the importance of routine maintenance, preventive maintenance, and describe the normal procedure followed in machine tool maintenance in the shop floor.
In order to get trouble-free service from productive equipment, it is necessary to carry out these following activities: lubrication, periodic inspection, adjustments of various parts, cleaning. All the above maintenance operations are carried out while the machine is running or during pre-planned shutdown. This type of maintenance may prevent breakdown of equipment. Routine maintenance should not interfere with production schedules. Planned preventive maintenance (PPM), more commonly referred to as simply planned maintenance (PM), is a scheduled maintenance of an object or item or equipment. Specifically, planned maintenance is a scheduled service visit carried out by a competent and suitable agent to ensure that an item of equipment is operating correctly and to therefore avoid any unplanned breakdown and downtime. Along with condition-based maintenance, planned maintenance comprises preventive maintenance, in which the maintenance event is pre-planned and all future maintenance is pre-programmed. Planned maintenance is created for every item separately according to manufacturer's recommendation or legislation. Plans can be date-based, based on equipment running hours or on the distance traveled by the vehicle. A good example of planned maintenance program is car maintenance, where time and distance determine fluid change requirements. A good example of condition-based maintenance is the oil pressure warning light that provides notification that you should stop the vehicle because engine lubrication has stopped and failure will occur. Advantages. Planned maintenance has some advantages over condition-based maintenance (CBM), such as easier planning of maintenance and ordering spares. Costs are distributed more evenly. No initial costs for instruments used for supervision of equipment. Preventive maintenance consists of a few engineering activities which help to maintain the machine tools in good working order. The basic activities of preventive maintenance are the periodic inspection of machines and equipment to uncover conditions leading to production breakdowns or harmful depreciation. Upkeep of machines and equipment to avoid such conditions or to adjust, repair or replace them while they are still in the initial stages. Advantages of preventive maintenance system: less downtime in production, improves quantity and quality of product, standby equipment is not needed, which saves capital investment, lower unit cost of manufacture, reduces major and repetitive repairs of machines. PM helps in prolonging the life of the machines and reduction in unexpected breakdowns. Functions of Preventive Maintenance Department: periodic inspection of machine and equipment as per the checklists, lubrication of machine and equipment as per the manufacturer's instruction manuals, servicing and overhauling of machine and equipment as per the PM schedule, keeping basic records of each machine and equipment, analysis of inspection reports and systematic review of reports of machine and equipment. Normal procedure followed in machine tool maintenance on shop floor must have some procedure and sequence. If maintenance is followed without any procedure, There will be time loss and the machine and equipment could not be ready in time. The procedure guides the maintenance people how to start, execute, where to inspect, and how to complete the maintenance on time. The maintenance is carried out with the following procedure. Initial cleanup. Main machine, connected accessories, lubrication system, panels, and adjacent parts are to be cleaned first. Identification of fault. The fault of the machine is to be identified by visual inspection. Dismantling. The fault area is dismantled with reference to the manual and all the spares are kept separate in a tray and preserved safely. Inspection. All the dismantled parts such as gear, bearing, shaft, key, etc. are cleaned and inspected for damages. Such damages or breakage is recorded in the maintenance checklist. Identification of cause for defect. The defect in spare parts is thoroughly examined and analyzed. The cause for damage has to be rectified. Inspection and replacement or repair of spares. The damaged or broken spares are repaired and the same is inspected to the standards. Reassembling. The next course of action is assembling the parts in reverse manner of dismantled order. Trial run. After completion of assembly, electrical connections are to be given. Run the machine manually and lubricate accordingly. Finally, the machine should have a trial run for some time and be observed for any unusual sound. Inspection with standards. The machine is finally checked or inspected for geometric accuracy, safety hazards, etc. according to the manufacturer's standards. Maintaining records. All the activities related to faults, spares changed, etc. to be recorded in the inspection report or maintenance record or machine history cards suitably for future reference. Inspect the following items of center lathe as per the given checklist and tick it in appropriate column. Check and adjust the tension of the belt. Bearing sound. Check the movement of the carriage of the lathe. Working in all speeds. Run the machine on different spindle speeds and check the speed. Working in all feeds. Engage the power feed and check the longitudinal and transverse feed movements. Check the function of driving clutch by operating the clutch lever. Tailstock's parallel movement. Check braking system. The movement of the cross slide and the compound slide. Check the oil level or coolant level and the functioning of the lubricating or coolant pump. Electrical controls. Check the safety guards and ensure that they are in position.
In this video, we have learned the basic function of the maintenance department is the upkeep of the machines and equipment in good operating condition. Machines must be handled and maintained carefully in order to give good and long service. Conduct periodic inspection of machines and equipment as per the checklist. Thank you for watching.